friends, hope you must have seen my previous videos on DV lottery program. Here I am going to explain about the photograph you needed to attach to the DV lottery 2022 application. Photograph in the DV lottery is very important. Do not provide a photograph you are presently having with you. Please take a note that all DV 2022 Green Card Lottery applicants must provide a recent photograph of not only themselves but a recent photograph of all their co-applicants such as spouses and children. If they intend to include their in the entry, they must submit a recently taken photograph. That means the photo must be taken within the last 6 months to reflect your current appearance. You will need an electronic file containing your digital photo, which you must upload online when submitting the DV lottery entry application. So you can keep the photo ready in a file to upload. I recommend that you use a professional Visa photo service to ensure your photo meets all the requirements. The photograph should be in color, sized such that the head is between 22 milliliter and 35 millimeter, or 50% and 69% of the image's total height from the bottom of the chin to the top of the head. View the photo composition template provided in the US State Department website for more size requirement details. The photograph should be taken within the last 6 months. It should be taken in front of a plain white or off-white background. Should be taken in full face view directly facing the camera with a neutral facial expression and both eyes open. And the photograph should be taken in clothing that you normally wear. Uniform should not be worn in your photo except religious clothing. Do not wear a hat or head covering that obstacles the hair or hairline. Your full face must be visible and must not cast any shadows on your face. Headphones, wireless, hands-free devices are not acceptable in your photo. Eyeglasses are not allowed, but in some cases, when eyeglasses cannot be removed for medical reasons, for example, if the applicant has recently had a surgery and the eyeglasses are necessary to protect the applicant's eyes, then a medical statement signed by a medical professional or health practitioner must be provided in these cases. If the eyeglasses are accepted for medical reasons, the frames of the eyeglasses must not cover the eyes. There must not be glare on eyeglasses. There must not be shadows or reflection from the eyeglasses that obstacles the eyes. If you normally wear a hearing device or similar articles, they may be worn in your photo. If you are entering the Diversity Visa DV program online, you must upload your digital photograph as part of your entry. Keep your digital photograph ready in JPEG file format equal to or less than 240 kilobytes in file size. In a square ratio, height must be equal to width 600 into 600 pixels in dimension. Your existing photo must be 2 into 2 inches, scanned at a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. If you are good in computers, please check prior to uploading the photo, as professional photographers are also humans and can make mistakes. You can use the Department of State's free photo tool and select a digital photograph stored on your computer. Resize and rotate it if necessary. Crop it to a square image of exactly 600 into 600 pixels and save it to your computer for uploading. When taking a photo of your small baby, it's difficult, but no choice. No other person should be in the photo and your child should be looking at the camera with his or her eyes open. So you can lay your baby on his or her back on a plain white or off-white sheet, which will ensure your baby's head is supported and provide a plain background for the photo. Make sure that there are no shadows on your baby's face. Hope you know the usual points of submitting the photographs. In my next video, I'll be explaining the important points that you have to consider when submitting the application. Please put a like and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.